All right, welcome to Jensen Family TV today for another product review and how-to video. So today we're going to take this cool stuff called Sugru Moldable glue and we are going to fix this lightning cable. As you can see, it has started to split right there. And so we're going to just put some of this Sugru over that, mainly to prevent it from getting worse. And this stuff's pretty awesome, so it should fix it up nicely. I've done this before on my MacBook charge cable, and it held up really well. And this side looks fine. So we'll just be fixing this side. And as you can see, it's actually right on the back here as the example of what you can do. This stuff's pretty amazing. So you basically have about 30 minutes once you open it up to be able to get the job done before it starts to be a little more challenging to work with. And so it does set up pretty quickly, and then you do want to give it at least 24 hours to just dry fully before you start using the charge cable. So this shows a few other things you can do. Got a little torn as we were opening it, but you can see, I mean, there's just a lot of things you can use it for, just simple things. So there's the step-by-step instructions. You can take a look at that for a minute. Pretty basic. So as you can see, I chose the black and white options. You can get different colors, like you saw in the picture here. They have red, I think a bunch of others, but these colors I figured were pretty neutral. So of course I'm going to use white since it matches the white cable. Let's go ahead and open it up and we'll see how this works. So I just cut this around the dotted line as it shows. And you can open it up. You just peel it back there. You can see what it looks like. I mean, it just kind of looks like white Play-Doh. So basically I just need to roll that up into a ball and then well, use the amount that I want. I don't think I'll need this whole amount for just this cable. And that's one thing that I've noticed is a little bit of a drawback. You really can't reuse it once you open it. And I've tried putting it in a little Ziploc bag. It didn't seem to work well. So once you open it, you're pretty much done with that little packet. So we'll see. I might end up using the whole thing on this. So just keep that in mind. If you have like more than one cable, that's a good time to fix both of them, because you may not need the entire amount for just one. So I pulled it out. I'm just kind of squishing it up here. So I just started smashing the cable into this, and I actually think I will use the whole amount, just so that it's extra reinforced. So I'm smashing it in, and then I'm going to start wrapping it around like this. So we can seal it up. And I'll smooth it out. So it does kind of feel like a lot here. So I tore a little bit off the bottom. I actually decided to put some on this side. And I'm just going to do it on this side too, just to reinforce it, to really reduce the chance of this side having any problems as well, and to extend the life of the cable. So I'm going to mold this a little bit nicer looking. So I got this side done. I think it looks pretty good. Basically, you just spend some time smoothing it out, kind of rolling it out until it feels good. All right, we've got it done. It probably took me longer than needed. I'm kind of particular, but it probably took me about 10 minutes maybe to mold this around the cable. Mainly because I wanted it to feel good still when I go to plug it into my phone. So I tried to shape it so you can see it kind of fits the cable, gives it a little bit of an edge there so you still have something to grab onto to plug it in. And then I just smoothed this part out, sort of made it blend into the cable as good as I could. So it still feels a little bit sticky, so I think after about 30 minutes it'll set up a bit more, and after a nice 24-hour period it'll be good to use. It's officially dry. Look how awesome. Works great. Fixed. And that's how you fix a lightning cable with Sugru. Pretty sweet stuff. Definitely recommended. So if you want to buy some of this, you can check out the link in the description, and that'll take you to where you can buy some for yourself to give it a try. If you do try it out, definitely leave a comment letting me know what you think and if it worked well for you, and also let me know what you think of the video.